Lightning is a natural phenomenon, necessary in nature, because it balances the energy that goes to accumulate between air and the Earth's surface, literally two poles. When this energy, or rather, the energy differential that is formed between these two poles, reaches a level capable of overcoming the dielectric of the air, the phenomenon is triggered and everything is brought back into balance. Euthalia's Ingelva system intervenes much earlier and, in fact, is always at work stabilizing the electromagnetic field in the surrounding environment. In this way, when a storm occurs, our patented system using our air heads, filters, and other high-technology components safeguards the area surrounding the protected property and ensures that the critical threshold that triggers a discharge is never reached, preventing the formation of lightning in the immediate vicinity of the protected installation. Effect of a high-frequency discharge on traditional lightning rods versus Antimpatto system. A 15 kHz pulse is applied with a voltage of 20 kV. The concentration of electric charges is clearly visible on the rod, which acts as a conductor and attracts them. In contrast, the Antimpatto system prevents the accumulation of charges, thereby inhibiting the conditions necessary for lightning to form. In this experiment, we use a Tesla coil that generates a 3 million volt discharge at a frequency of 200 kHz. Buildings equipped with traditional lightning rods are struck by the discharge. Being conductors, they attract lightning. In contrast, buildings protected with Antimpatto technology do not experience discharges, thanks to their ability to prevent the phenomenon.
At Euthalia, our roots go deep. we have inherited the know-how and the legacy of Ingelva, an Italian company that has been developing advanced lightning protection systems for over 40 years. Our technology has been trusted to protect critical businesses, infrastructures and buildings across Italy, including communication, energy facility, historic buildings and high-risk assets such as gas storages and hydrogen plants. Euthalia eclipses the traditional lightning rod concept. Our patented anti-lightning protection system prevents lightning and surges from occurring, offering a comprehensive protection for the area, thanks to an innovative solution that guarantees the maximum safety for any building or structure. Wherever lightning poses a threat, we deliver safety, reliability, and peace of mind. Our technology meets the very stringent European and international regulations. Our ambition is to bring this solution to the world. Lightning is the global challenge, and to address it, we are looking for strategic partners who share our vision. Partners with the foresight and determination to protect lives and assets with cutting-edge proven technology. In India, we have taken a bold first step with HT Euthalia India, our joint venture with HT Group. Together, we aim to serve one of the world's most lightning-exposed regions and to build strong, lasting relationships with those who are ready to join us in creating a safer, more resilient future.
At HT Group, we have always believed that true innovation is about anticipating risk before it becomes a crisis. And in a country like India, where over 250 million people live in lightning-prone zones and where the impact of lightning strikes is growing every year, it was imperative to bring in a transformative and a proven solution. And that is why we partnered with Euthalia from Italy, pioneers in patented lightning and surge protection systems that are already securing critical infrastructure across Europe. Our goal is simple: to protect lives, assets, and uptime in India's fast-growing industrial and digital landscape. Lightning isn't just a natural phenomenon anymore. It's a major business continuity risk, whether you are running an import terminal, a telecom tower, or a 40-story residential complex. Each strike can cause massive financial damage, service disruption, and many times loss of precious lives. And the systems we've used so far, frankly, most of them just aren't enough. And that's where Euthalia's Ingelva technology stands out. It's not just about another lightning protection system. It is a scientifically engineered, patented solution that eclipses the traditional lightning rod concept. It prevents lightning from occurring around the protected installation, offering a comprehensive protection, almost guaranteeing a maximum safety for any building or structure. In sectors like oil and gas, where hugely flammable environments could make a lightning strike catastrophic, Euthalia's technology could be the difference between safety and disaster. In the strategic telecom sector, where India already has over 700,000 towers, often in lighting-intensive areas, Euthalia's lightning protection system ensures tower uptime, signal stability, and equipment longevity. And in our rapidly growing urban real estate sector, where the skyline is becoming increasingly vertical, lightning protection is not just a luxury anymore, it is a necessity. For me, bringing Euthalia to India is not just about a product introduction. It is about risk prevention at a national scale. It is about preparing for a future where extreme weather is becoming increasingly frequent and disruption doesn't have to be so damaging. At HT and Euthalia, we are trying to protect what powers India. At HT, we do not just apply global technologies to India, we localize them with a purpose. We are proud to lead this mission for India, sector by sector, state by state.